Hey marketers, are you ready to revolutionize your marketing game with AI? Today, I'm diving into some AI-powered strategies you can implement right now to supercharge your campaigns. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these tips will help you stay ahead of the curve. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that can elevate your marketing efforts to new heights. First up, let's talk about personalization. AI can analyze tons of data to understand your audience's preferences and behaviors. This means you can offer highly personalized experiences, from tailored email campaigns to customized product recommendations. Imagine your customers feeling like every message was crafted just for them. That's the power of AI. Personalization can significantly boost customer engagement and loyalty, making your marketing efforts more effective. Next, content creation. Stuck on what to write? AI tools can help you generate ideas, draft articles, and even optimize your copy. Tools like GPT-4 can create high-quality content in minutes. Not only does this save you time, but it also ensures your content is always fresh and engaging. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you brainstorm and create compelling content effortlessly. This can be a game changer for your content strategy. And let's not forget automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks like scheduling social media posts, managing email workflows, and even handling customer queries. This frees up your time to focus on strategy and creativity, the things that really make your marketing stand out. Automation can also improve efficiency and reduce the chances of human error, ensuring that your campaigns run smoothly. But how do you get started? First, identify the areas in your marketing strategy that could benefit from AI. Then, choose the right tools. There are plenty of options out there, from chatbots like Drift to analytics platforms like Google Analytics. Start small, test, and scale up as you see results. It's important to continuously monitor and adjust your strategies to maximize the benefits of AI. Now let's dive deeper into some additional AI marketing strategies. One powerful approach is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, AI can forecast future trends and customer behaviors. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of market changes. Predictive analytics can help you allocate your resources more effectively and anticipate customer needs. Another strategy is using AI for social listening. AI tools can monitor social media platforms to understand public sentiment about your brand. This real-time feedback helps you adjust your strategies quickly and effectively. Social listening can also help you identify emerging trends and respond to customer feedback promptly, enhancing your brand's reputation. Let's look at a case study. A leading e-commerce company used AI to personalize their email campaigns. By analyzing customer data, they were able to send targeted offers that increased their open rates by 30% and sales by 20%. This shows the tangible benefits of integrating AI into your marketing efforts. The company also reported higher customer satisfaction and retention rates. Another case study involves a travel agency that used AI for content creation. They implemented an AI tool to generate blog posts and social media content. This not only saved them hours of work, but also boosted their website traffic by 50%. The agency also saw an increase in customer engagement and inquiries, demonstrating the effectiveness of AI in content marketing. So, there you have it. Personalization, content creation, automation, predictive analytics, and social listening. 5 powerful ways AI can transform your marketing today. Dive in, explore the tools, and watch your marketing efforts soar. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. In this chapter, we'll discuss the ethical considerations and data privacy concerns related to AI-driven personalization. As AI technology continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, it is increasingly being integrated into various marketing strategies. This integration brings about significant ethical questions that need to be addressed to ensure responsible use. One of the primary concerns is data privacy. AI systems often require large amounts of data to function effectively, which can include sensitive information about your customers. This data must be handled with the utmost care to maintain customer trust. As AI becomes more integrated into marketing strategies, it's crucial to address these issues to maintain trust and transparency with your audience. Ensuring that your customers feel secure about how their data is being used is fundamental to building a lasting relationship. One major concern is data privacy. AI systems often require large amounts of data to function effectively, which can include sensitive information about your customers. It's essential to handle this data responsibly, ensuring that you have the necessary permissions and that the data is stored securely. Implementing robust data security measures can help protect against breaches and misuse. It's essential to handle this data responsibly, ensuring that you have the necessary permissions and that the data is stored securely. Regular audits and updates to your data security protocols can further enhance protection. Another ethical consideration is bias. AI algorithms can sometimes perpetuate existing biases present in the data they are trained on. This can lead to unfair treatment of certain groups of people. To mitigate this, it's important to regularly audit your AI systems and ensure they are trained on diverse and representative data sets. Transparency is also key. To mitigate this, it's important to regularly audit your AI systems and ensure they are trained on diverse and representative data sets. Transparency is also key. By being open about your AI processes, you can help build trust with your audience. Your customers should be aware of how their data is being used and have the option to opt out if they choose. Providing clear and accessible information about your AI practices can help build trust and foster a positive relationship with your audience. This transparency can also serve as a competitive advantage in a market where data privacy is increasingly valued. Finally, consider the impact of AI on employment. While AI can automate many tasks, it's important to think about how this might affect your workforce. The introduction of AI should be managed in a way that supports and uplifts your employees. While AI can automate many tasks, it's important to think about how this might affect your workforce. Providing training and support for employees to adapt to new technologies can help ease the transition and ensure that everyone benefits from the advancements in AI. This approach not only helps in retaining talent, but also in fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. By addressing these ethical considerations and data privacy concerns, you can leverage the power of AI in a way that is responsible and beneficial for both your business and your customers. Ethical AI practices can lead to sustainable growth and a positive brand image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more marketing tips. Catch you next time.